happy Sunday. My husband and I, we're going for lunch somewhere again. I don't know where, but we're just driving around. And my husband said, you have to make a decide where we're going. And I said to him, just drive around the bin.
Just drive.
So I just want to say hello everyone, and I still want to say again and again thank you for all those people that subscribes me in my channel. So guys, I really appreciate it. It just small money, small help make it a big difference in the Philippines. I used to go just give some money. They can buy a rice. 1 kilo of rice is cost like $1 or something. But eventually I'm running up some money. So thank you guys for those helping me, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.